where there is a will, there is a way. Respected judges, I am Anjali of 10th class from Jatheda Lakshman Singh Memorial Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Chak Desraj, Block Goraya 2. We know that coronavirus has taken its ground so far in the world, so we should defend ourselves from the dreadful consequences of this pandemic. So these are the COVID-19 precautions, that we should wash hands, keep social distancing, wear mask, avoid crowd, avoid handshake, avoid touching eyes, ears and nose. Everything is theoretically impossible until it is done. So washing hands is the major practical activity. So for this purpose we use the foot sanitizer to wash our hands. But what about our thirst? So to quench the thirst, we use the traditional tap system. But I am afraid that it is not safe at all. Suppose if anybody touches it with the germy hands, then there will be the danger of spreading virus and germs from the surface of this tap. So to overcome this threat, I got an idea from the foot sanitizer, that why should not we implement that principle in our tap system? How does it work? So I innovate this instrument, and that is foot faucet. So how does it work? So it consists of two metallic rods, a circular rod which is static and is joined with this wash basin, and the other one is this squared rod which is movable, and I connected the tap with this movable rod with this iron tilt bar. So here this pipe is the main connector between these two taps for supply of water. Here I joined this pedal with the movable rod and assisted with the lever like bolt, and of course it requires a firm base. So how does it function? Let's see. So by pressing the pedal with foot, the squared metallic rod will move upwards and the tap will automatically pressed with this iron bar and the water will run, and by releasing the pedal the water will stop running and it will come in its natural position with the gravitational force and the weight of its mass. And it is also an eco-friendly device, as it is not letting the wastewater unused. So here we efficaciously use the water for watering the plants. So let's see that how the students are taking benefits from this remarkable device. So here I need not to say that we should encourage its mass uses. So concluding it, I will be proved so ignorant if I myself take the all credit of this instrument. In fact, all credit goes to our principal madam, our teachers and our mentors. So I hope that this instrument will prove beneficial for our society and nation. Thank you so much.